BX-22 has arrived. Let's pack this pre-order. After this, I'll open a set. I can't wait to see what's inside. By the way, recently my buyer shared something with me that is concerning. Please let me know if you have any information. So he acquired 2 sets of Beyblade X products, one from Japan and the other from outside Japan. He observed that the QR code on the Japanese set can be scanned by the app, while the other set cannot. If you know anything about this, please share. Oh yes, this is a souvenir on top of other free gifts. The special black version Carmen X card sticker for those who pre-order BX-22 from me. I haven't given them out yet, so you guys who pre-ordered from me are the earliest to receive. I will try to include something special for pre-orders to show appreciation for the longer wait. So what do you know about BX-22? What is the difference between BX-22 and BX-01? Tell me what you know in the comments. Or wait for me to open it up in a short while, right after packing this parcel. Okay, time to open it up and see what's inside. Oh yeah, remember when I showed you how to check authenticity? By looking at the box? Yes, the Takara Tomy logo. Of course, the copyright notices. So now let's find out what is the difference between BX-01 and this BX-22. Well, they look the same to me. If that's the case, I won't keep this because I already have it from BX-01. But I'll still open it up later for you guys to have a closer look. Let me check out the manual pack first. Who is looking forward to BX-23 Phoenix Wing? If you are from Malaysia, consider pre-ordering from me. I have prepared a souvenir for you. Okay, positive. This is exactly the same as the Dran sword blade from BX-01, as well as the 360 ratchet and the flat bit. So I'm not going to keep them. Should I sell them separately or as a combo? Let me know your suggestion in the comments. Here comes the highlight of this set, in my opinion. I'll call it the entry launcher. This entry launcher is a really basic one. You cannot attach it to the grip. It is not so ideal for competition, I suppose, but this set is more affordable to those who couldn't afford BX-01. Okay, let me use it to launch my own Dran sword. I'll definitely keep it, even if I don't use it. It's for my collection, especially since it's the very first entry launcher in the Beyblade X generation. Have you ever wondered why Takara Tomy bothered to release this set when they already had BX-01? Let's have this discussion in the comments.